Sama rockstar bayasfisa Oh zeguse Sijaye statulunga mane ufe Oh seguse Alpas kwam nan det sugu Alpas kwam nan det sugu Alpas kwam nan det sugu Sema tildanga kumilanga Alpas kwam nan det sugu Alpas kwam nan det sugu Alpas kwam nan det sugu Sema tildanga kumilanga
Malene, Colite say my yene, Colite say my yene, no my yene, yeah, fuck stiff no me why yene, yeah, na Malene, yeah, Colite say my yene, Colite say my yene,
Spectape, Inganeza sepe. Champagne, no complaint. So l'Alexen, Spectape, Inganeza sepe. Come champagne, no complaint. So l'Alexen. How was one on the sugu? How was one on the sugu? How was one on the sugu? Say nothing, I'm not coming down.
Yes, sir. Kasi Flavor sitting in number 5. That's Ebsugo featuring Tukilano. Yeah. Shout out to them niggas all the way from Dawn Road. And then I'm going to give you a quick recap of our major top 10. So as far as our list is concerned for now, it's Naps at number 10. It's Slay Queen. And then Big Guy featuring Ufu Fani and Kevin Gray, Betty around here sitting at number 9. And then at number 8, it's Funny featuring Big Guy, Betty Smoke Loud. And then number 7, it's V-Data to Get It. And then at number 6, it's God Soul featuring Somnyama Betty and Dividea. And then at number 5, the recent song, it was Kasi Flavor, Betty Ebsugu. Right about now, it's 10 to 2. It's 10 minutes to 2, yes. That's the time before Uvidots Angene. So yeah, man, we're still talking about life experiences. So for now, I'm just going to hijack everything, like how we hijack the songs on our major lists that we have now. So we're going to hijack Uvidots and we're going to let him tell us what type of life experiences in now as an individual or as an artist. Way back in the day, Uvidots were what was the best experience back in the day? Because we know Uvidots was not a born free like us. No, he was born in the apartheid era. So we want to know what Dalangan back in the day in the apartheid era. Uvidots, come on, Jam.
Gapila, Gapila, Gabon, hijack, Baba. It's a Kulman avant. Well, if you want me to tell you, it's Lali Pam. I want to Pam as a Kiwang Uni. I want to let such lies in Pasa. Let Pasa live up to any into Imane.
le around iswa kanje bese uyayiphosa yabo le ngathi isihlilingi kodwa manje sinomuntu owodwa yayibona lo Shandisi. That's what we used to play with. Nale mpahla yayiqhuma le yayiqhinyiswa ngomentshisi imbambathon lo yakha kube ngathi spam.
we that sikhuluma ngezinto engazazi into emanje that sounds so hardcore yabo mazihambe utshela ingane engayazi yonke le nto ingane ephunda kumama oh shit I'm gonna tell my mom about this. No, it sounds like a C4 type of bomb just as an event. So yeah man, thank you about that one. So right about now it's 5 to it's 53 minutes before the hour 12. So bafethu before the hour 2 I mean. Yeah, so right now I'm going to give this platform to Vito to give us a quick snip cap here yof cake guide yethu for the week and for the rest of the year. Yes sir, Vito, my main man.
What up? Yeah. We on. Mumnandi emhlabeni bafethu. Life is precious. Life is good bafethu. Even though we're kube nenkinga nje ikhona empilweni, but life is good. So I'm gonna give you. Yeah bafethu, it's that guy. It's that time of the day. Uvito vela bahleke mawungamazi. Ngifaka uswazi ngishaya ngishiya isibazi ngikhanya njengesibani ungangabazi. Mina ojaha amadoda ashabafazi ungaqalaze emumva ngoba ngiphambi kwakho njengamanje. Khamba kanjani bafowethu eSouth Africa? Well, I'm gonna start here. Ngomhla ka-30 kuyona le ephezulu kushiwo njalo ngesiZulu inyanga ephezulu lesiphezulu kwase soyiqeda nje njengamanje kune dozen so amalwele akandengezi they are having their twins birthday lapha la kuthiwa khona se-NPN Lifestyle ngale ngakamamdekazi leyo ndawo leyo yes NPN Lifestyle they're gonna have their birthday there. It's gonna be lit bafethu kuzobe kukhona ngisho lo ndoda le khona ingane la endlini uMampintsha will be there uzobe khona naye uMampintsha DJ Clyde will be there and all the local DJs even Ikasi Flavor will be performing there and all the local deep house DJs will be there, so be there or be square, enjoy yourself bafethu. It's going to be a lit weekend ngalelo suku lolo. And on the same date bafethu Javas is going to be launching his mixtape Emini Kandengezi lapha ngase shopping center. He's going to be launching his mixtape. I think it's hip hop. It's a hip hop event. So there'll be artists from Renrola Entertainment, artists like Upugati, Mr. Renrola himself, the activist Mr. Syllable, and Vitox will also be there. So bafethu be there or be square. And let me give you a snip reminder of umhlaka 27 April Mr. and Miss I&I, the Spirit of Togetherness, Empola Community Hall. Yes, from 27 April, Toto Emperor Evento bafethu, Love World Productions from Clermont, Toto Evento Emperor. What's it's French lempahla. So our performances is from Emperor, the Empire will be there, and then Love World Productions from Clermont, and Vito will also be there. So be there or be square or one man. Major on stage. Oh my God, I almost forgot. Major will be there on stage. Bafethu. So that's your kick card for now. I'll see you soon, Bafethu. Yeah?
Oh, yes, sir. Nice to know of all the gate guides, especially if I'm on those gate guides. So, yes, sir. Shout out to you, V. Dot, my main man. This is it. This is the Veggie Tico. So, around here, I'm the king. So, yeah, man. Next week, I'm going to be looking for another king. So, V. Dot, let me give you a task since I know you're a rapper and you know most of the rappers and everything. Yeah, bro. So, next week, I want to do a battle show, Nick. I want to have a battle show here on last hour, which is 2 o'clock. Yeah, bro. At 2 o'clock on the dot next week, we should be having 2 rappers here battling it out. Yeah, bro. So we need to get those 2 rappers here in studio. Bazo Petlisha, because we're looking for a hyena that we're gonna mold and say this is our king as an extension point.
You know I'm gonna do that. We don't want
you, nigga. We don't want you to outshine the people. We want somebody new.
Nah, but my battling days are over, man. My battling days are gone. My battling days are gone. But I'm just letting the young people do their thing now these days.
Let the young bucks.
Yeah, let the young lions eat each other.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna make sure those rappers are here. I'm gonna make sure those rappers are are here and they're battling it out, and it's gonna be fun. I know. Yeah, I'll tell them my battles. I even got one person in mind, njengamanje, okade win my battles kakhulu ngale ndlela le.
Yes, sir.
I know he's gonna be here. So I'm gonna bring those rappers. Don't worry.
Shout out to you, my G. Shout out to you. Oh, and also shout out to Lil Sub all the way from Marian Rich. I heard he won another battle and another major station here in South Africa that we have, or here in Durban, the major station here in Durban. So yeah, he won the show. He was on air on Thursday. So shout out to you, Lil Sub, all the way from Marian Rich, all the way from Music Dreams Productions, courtesy of Hope Mati, our very own producer of the afternoon drive. So yeah, man, everything is going good. Everything is going as far as the entertainment process that we have here in South Africa, or here in Marian Hill as a whole, is going on another level, on another scale, Bafethu. So we got to grind, we got to do anything. Shout out to Mr. Robs on the other end of the table. So right about now, we're going to give you another hijack, and then after we're playing you on number 4, because this is the fun hour on Extension Point FM. We live and beyond Mzansi with your boy Stensic Major. Yes, the hairy bastard, Sebo.
Number 4. 3.
Abaletha uZulu agibele entabeni obamba imbopho banyaka zihlahla phuma phansi esigodini saseNtuzu uphuza ugobhogoba ngangedwa-ke kule ngihamba nozusukuma umfo kamnene engamlanda le entabeni zabhusha nomunye-ke ngimlanda khona la isowethe kuthiwa umfo kamkhizi khuluma nawo ngiyabonga beat maker thola umbopho kuleka custom better enter gates yakhahlela gate crasher elizoqeda ukumaketha kulabo mrapper abaraphe ngathi barephiswe peer pressure ngumqami ngumntwana nonqamalala msholosi okapsindisa ibluku osangifasa amapost just in case ikujump ighost check icoast kunyeka mathi silinda ubalekile njengevote after cut yongathi shwiko mawoti ngathi John ngase ngithola nomakoti yokucoco siyaphela bengirephela phanti abeyiphumela njengobava road kwi-alcapella njengabazali bethu ama-petrol bomba wayejikjela manje konke sekwaphela kodwa khona abasasichela kumjondolo nehostela ngekho ngangivimbela phezulu ngomgaqo ekhonini mophethe ncwadini epeni nokubonga emphakathini ngoqhenjela imelo yeliveni
1, 2, 3, 3 Zulus on the MIC. 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 Imagine that, young Zulu from California, the illest combination, who else but young nations. I came back home, now I got the image of my son on my phone to remind me I ain't running alone. I'm so Zulu when I'm in the zone, it's like I'm sitting on the throne. Big beats like a fist through a nose bone. Hold on, why he sound like he from Southern California? Mind your business and mosey on. Observe protocol, pay my respects to the king. Okay, cool, let me do my thing. I came back like a boomerang, just defining nothing changed. It's all pretty much the same, still dealing with the same pain. Seek shelter from the same rain, blood from the same vein. It is what it is, Zulu boy and pro kid, the hottest combination on the planet to ever live. Beat Baker's on the beat, so I had to give it heat. Young nations, all about it. You can catch me in the streets like 1, 2, 3. Young nations on the MIC. Holla back, say 1, 2, 3. 3 Zulus on the MIC. 1, 2, 3. 3 Zulus on the MIC.
Just
1, 2, 3. 3 Zulus on the MIC.
what's
1, 2, 3. 3 Zulus on the MIC.
Bep, athi sikhipha ujakalaso ngicashe phansi kwe-sheepskin hlobo lokuthi manje angishayisani ne-system mase sikhuza sidonselana ama-piston ikhathi jini kangako sidedela lama-16 babuzela muthi bafuna i-viral extra uhamba utshela abantu ukuthi lentwana i-rapstar phambana nenhlanekela mawuthanda ubungesta umthofuza uphasa mawuzama ukusithesta awubamba umoya uthatha ukubheka i-situation ithanda ukudlala ngomqondo ididi concentration Zulu boy young nations no pro spacing uzizela ngamasimbo zabulawe constipation destination inzima njenge-4-4 masihlalisana mphethe into enzima Zulu woza nawe sibambisana bangasingeni phakathi basenze sibangisana isendele endleleni nameva mfethu woza masihambisana
1, 2, 3. 3 Zulus on the MIC. 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 1, 2, 3. 3 Zulus on the MIC.
ibutho lebutho lidonsa umkhontwalo ihawu nesakhila mfana 3 Zulus on the MIC. Zuluboy Pro Kid, Young Nation sophinde sishe second half sokubona second round nje happy week.